Since I had my rose polish, but I still have lost my shine. We've only got one night to live, so why not find more time to play? Where did everyone go? Are they hiding? Should I seek them? Why am I all alone? Oh no, my heart has sprung a leak. It was because it was broke. Now I'm sour, but the rain is good for the flowers. My petals fell and then I felt it quick. What makes me tick? That you got off no trouble. I'm ready to your bubble, cause I'm no toy, but boy oh boy, how bad you had me played. I'm fixing to patch up myself, no sticking me back on my shelf. This lonely doll is going out, Pinocchio in chains. Your petals chains that long enslaved me. I cut the strings from which you hanged me. Now your pretty puppet isn't so ideal, cause all you've ever been enamored with was a girl who was perfectly inanimate. So I faked it till I could make it awfully real. Now you wonder where did all the love go? Like I'm the one who lost it. If it was a puzzle, you'll never be the one to solve it. Don't you keep this doll all locked up? Playing house just makes me sick. I've been wound up, broken down, but that was how I found out just what makes me tick, tick, tick. You'd better tell me, there's so many other of me. Are you even keeping count? Cause you lied to me, said that I'm unique, and now you've sold me out. If it's a game and I'm your toy, let me play rough like the boys. What you made of? Come and find out when I take all your inside out. Forget plastic and silicone, they're ineffective next to flesh and bone. But manufactured's manufactured, the byproduct is blusters. That's just what a sacrifice is. Remember that life is priceless, so pick up the knife.